And welcome into Flash University. This time we're going to take a look at the best methods for hoisting TECK90 cable. Begin by installing the hoisting grip to the outside of the TECK90 cable. Allow enough headroom so the cable grip can be secured to the tower with enough extra cable to terminate to the lighting equipment on the structure. Use the provided tape to secure the grip to the cable. Using a pipe hitch or timber hitch, create several overhand knots with a rope or sling below the hoisting grip. Secure the sling using tape to ensure it does not get kinked or tangled in the tower or any other protruding objects while hoisting the cable. Secure the cable to the load rope before hoisting. Ensure each tape section is no more than 1 foot apart. And now we're complete and ready for hoisting. Repeat this process for each additional TECK90 cable spool. Full installation instructions will be provided with every system kit. The instructions can also be obtained from Flash Technology using part number 7904230 or visit flashtechnology.com.